How to cancel join request in Telegram. So canceling join request in Telegram is quite easy and simple. Just you have to open the Telegram app and make sure to sign in on your Telegram account. So sometimes what happen is many friends or the user in the Telegram will send us a join request, so most of us won't feel interested to join such request in Telegram. So in this video I will show you some of the easiest trick to cancel such join request in Telegram. For that, on this page you need to simply select the three-line icon at the top left corner of the screen and get access to your settings page. Once you get access to this settings page, you have to select privacy and security option, where you need to scroll all the way down, and under this privacy at the bottom you will see invites option. Let's open the invites, and once you're on this invite section, as you can see who can add me to the group chats, we can or we have said here to everybody. So if you want to cancel such join request in Telegram, you simply need to toggle on the button to nobody, and then you have to select the tick mark at the top right corner, or else you need also to add the exception for whom you want to always allow. If you want to always allow to a particular user, you can select the user here. If you don't want that and don't want to add any users, and you want to cancel the join request in Telegram fully, then you have to select nobody and leave as it is. Then select the tick mark at the top right corner, and the invites has been set to nobody. Now no one can send you the cancel request, or sorry, no one will be able to send you the join request in Telegram, and they won't be able to add you to the group as well. So in this way you can easily cancel join request in Telegram. I hope this video worked. If this video worked for you, then hit the like button, share and subscribe our channel, comment down below and press the notification bell for more updates. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.